Julia Carolyn Child was an American cooking teacher, author, and television personality. She is recognized for bringing French cuisine to the American public with her debut cookbook, Mastering the Art of French Cooking, and her subsequent television programs, the most notable of which was The French Chef, which premiered in 1963. On August 15, 1912, Julia Child was born as Julia Carolyn McWilliams in Pasadena, California. Child's father was John McWilliams Jr., a Princeton University graduate and prominent land manager. Child's mother was Julia Carolyn Weston, a paper company heiress and daughter of Byron Curtis Weston, a lieutenant governor of Massachusetts. Child was the eldest of three, followed by a brother, John McWilliams III, and sister, Dorothy Cousins. Julia attended Polytechnic School from 4th grade to 9th grade in Pasadena, California. In high school, Julia was sent to the Katharine Branson School in Ross, California, which was at the time a boarding school. At 6 feet, 2 inches tall, Julia played tennis, golf, and basketball as a youth. She also played sports while attending Smith College in Northampton, Massachusetts, from which she graduated in 1934 with a major in history. Julia Child grew up in a family with a cook, but she did not observe or learn cooking from this person and never learned until she met her husband-to-be, Paul, who grew up in a family very interested in food. Following her graduation from college, Child moved to New York City, where she worked as a copywriter for the advertising department of W. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.